high if you like. You have to keep your hand moving, your hand moving, your hand moving. Can you see it? It's all coming together. It's all coming together. And then we flip it a little bit, flip it a little bit more. I do not add any cream. I do not add anything else to this except egg. Keep your calories as low as you can. Keep your saturated fat as low as you can. Flip it a few more times, flip it, and now you have some beautiful scrambled eggs. And into your dish you go. There you go. And you can add a little bit of salt, pepper on top, put cheese inside if you like, put cheese on the top if you like. Then you let it melt and then you have a little cheese omelet. So there you go. Once again, thanks. Click like, click share, and we'll see you again. Pete from Carpizzos.